Hello children, we are on to the seventh part of electric potential and capacitors. Electric potential and capacitors, seventh part. Let us learn some more problems. Whatever problem I have written on the board, it is very standard problem asked in many examinations, even in entrance exam. But in entrance exam, they will give some values which can be found using without calculators. Okay, now let us see, this is standard problem only and very easy, just like we had solved earlier problem, that was first problem. It is exactly similar to that, only slightly geometry is different. There it was only one charge, but here we are having plenty of charges. Now let us see how to draw the diagram first. Square is given, diagonal will draw. We'll call upon this one as A, this one as B, this one as C, and this one as D. At ABC corners, what is the length of each side? 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. It is square, not the rectangle. At the point A, I will call this charge as QA. How much is the charge? 2 nanocoulomb means, nano means minus 9, 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. At B, QB I will call, QB means charge at B, or Q2 you can call it as, that is 6 nanocoulomb, 6 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. At C, I will call upon this one as QC, charge at C. Charge at C is minus 4 nanocoulomb, minus 4 nano means 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. So this is arrangement. They asked what is potential at the center O, what is potential here? VO I will call, potential at O. V means potential, electric potential at O. And here we shall find VD means potential at D. Next part they are asked, also find work done in moving an alpha particle from D to center of this square. They have to move an alpha particle later on, not now. We'll study it later on, but we'll go for the potential first. Let us see potential at center. Here, how many potentials will be contributed? This charge will give some potential, this charge will also give, this will also give. Please concentrate. Alpha particle is moved, don't calculate its potential. Only these three potentials you calculate. Potential, electric, before that, some geometry we have to work on. What is AC? Diagonal. In triangle, in fact right angle triangle, ABC, or any pair of triangle you can take. In triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, AB BC are 1, so implies AC is equal to root 2. CT I will tell, if each side is A and A, length of the diagonal is root 2 into A, root 2A, general formula. Okay, let us have it as 1 and 1 now. Root 2, but what is AC is root 2, AO is how much? AC divided by 2. AO is equal to AC's half portion, so AO will be equal to how much? AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO is equal to how much? AC divided by 2. AC by 2 means root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2, if you simplify, that will be 0.707 meter. AC will be root 2 upon 2. If you simplify, 0.707 is answer. So AO, BO, CO and DO are all equal to how much? 0.707. Let us see how to find potential at center O. Potential at O is VO. At O, how many potentials will be produced? QA, QB and QC all will produce potential there, but not alpha particle which is moved, that you don't take. It is being moved, it is being displaced. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA upon charge upon distance up to O. What is distance? AO. QB upon BO. QC upon CO or OC. Why QD upon OD we should not write? Because at D no charge only is there. Don't think, sir, alpha particle is there. No, we are going to move it. It is not placed there at. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9. That you know. QA is how much? 2 nanocoulomb. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by AO is how much? 0.707 plus QB is 6 nanocoulomb. 6 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 0.707. QC is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 you write minus only. 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by 0.707. What is common throughout? 9 into 10 raised to 9 as it is. 0.707, 0.707 and all. They will be common. If at all they are common, you take like that. 10 raised to minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. So that is also common. What will remain here? 2 plus 6 minus 4. Now, this one is written as VO, potential at center, O, here. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 9s are 36, 36 upon 0.707. $50.9 plus 9 minus 9 cancels, so many volts here. Similarly, I have to erase that one. Please adjust. You have copied, I think. This was second problem. Potential at D, VD, question mark. VO was also question mark, we have solved. Potential at D is, VD is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge upon distance D, charge upon distance. So it is QA upon AD plus QB upon BD, BD, QC upon CD, D up to D. Earlier we took O like that. Very simple. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9. QA is 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 divided by, what is the value of AD? AD is 1, right? Plus QB is how much? 6 into 10 raised to minus 9. Distance BD, how much was AC children? Root 2. So BD is also equal to how much? Root 2. 1, 1. This will be root 2. Root 2 I will write it as 1.414. Plus, please pardon me, QC is negative. Minus means you write minus only. 4 into 10 raised to minus 9. Divided by, what is CD? CD how much? 1. So I will write 1. This one let us simplify. 9 into 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to minus 9. Sir, why minus? 9 taken common. 2 by 1 is 2. 6 upon 4 point, sorry, 1.414. Let us calculate. 6 divided by 1.414. Minus 4 upon 1 is minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0.242 plus 2.242. Volt. If you want to write full name, then write small letter volt. If you want to write only one single letter, then V, like this, capital letters. This is VD. Please be aware of the next part now. We want to move the charge from D to O, fourth corner to the center of the square. So you find potential at D, potential at O. Work done, I shall write there somewhere. Work done before this. Let us study what is alpha particle. Alpha particle, you have studied, is nothing but a helium nucleus. See, take helium atom. Helium atom will be having 2 protons, 2 neutrons, 2 electrons revolving. Minus minus revolving, a proton positive plus positive, neutron no charge. What you should do? Helium nucleus means what? This should be removed. Electron should be removed. What we are left with is only helium nucleus. Helium nucleus itself is called an alpha particle. Helium ka nucleus is called alpha particle. What is charge of the alpha particle? Neutron are no charge, proton what happens? E and E plus E, proton, 2E. Here somewhere I will write. Charge of, alpha particle which is helium nucleus is Q alpha is equal to 2 into E. 2 into what is the value of electronic charge? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So it will be how much? 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, like this. So this is alpha particle. Very simple, children. They are asked work done from one corner to center in order to move the alpha particle. Alpha particle move करने के लिए कितना work? We all know standard problem, I mean standard formula. Electric potential is work upon charge. Therefore, work is equal to VQ, cross multiply. Therefore, work done to move alpha particle from D to O is W is equal to VQ, correct? But V means what? VO or VD, it is from to postal address VD minus VO or VO minus VD, like that. We will put it as VQ, V minus V. You can write VD minus VO also, VO minus VD also. Work these asked. What is VO, children? 50.9. Minus, what is VD? 20.19. What is alpha particle charge? 3.2 into 10 raised to minus 19. We will simplify this. So work done is 50.9 minus 20.19 equal to into into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. To move the alpha particle from one point to another point, no, find potential difference into how much charge you are moving, not how much charge is present. So that will give work done. So here we will stop. We will have some more problems in the next part. Sorry children, we can have one more problem. We'll move on to the next problem. Listen here. 2 point charges of minus 6 microcoulomb and plus 12 microcoulomb are separated by a distance of 2 meters. Find point or points at which potential is 0 or electric potential is 0. Case A, please concentrate. One is negative charge, that is Q1 minus 6 microcoulomb. One more charge is Q2, which is plus 12 microcoulomb, separated by the distance of 2 meters. Please concentrate. At some point, say P, at some point P, at the distance of x from A, if so much is x, out of 2, what is remaining distance? 2 minus x. So this is 2 minus x at point B. Now what happens? Negative charge will produce negative potential, positive charge will produce positive potential. One's positive potential and one more charge negative potential, if at all they are equal, total answer is how much? 0. Suppose its potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, charge upon distance q1 upon x, its potential is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q2 upon 2 minus x. Suppose this potential is also 8 volt, sorry minus 8 volt because negative charge, minus, this is plus 8 volt. Imagine, what is total potential? 0. So total potential is 0 means that is called null point. Null point is for electric field. Null potential. Very simple, entrance exam, only 1 mark. Let us see how to solve this one. Let P be the point at a distance x from Q1, at which potential is 0. At this point potential is 0 means that is potential due to Q1 plus potential due to Q2 must be equal to 0. As much Q1 produces, Q2 should also produce same potential, same plus or minus, it should become 0. Now potential due to Q1 is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 upon x. This is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q2 upon 2 minus x. Total potential is 0 means we should put 0 here. Let us see how to simplify. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common, and when it is taken here, it will be 0 only. So what will remain is q1 upon x plus q2 upon 2 minus x is equal to 0. What is the value of q1? Minus 6 microcoulomb, minus 6 upon x, plus q2 is how much? 12 microcoulomb. 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 2 minus x is equal to 0. Take this here. Of course, minus 6 will take here. 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 2 minus x must be equal to. This negative term, if it is taken on this side, it will become 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by x. Minus has become plus. Minus 6 cancels. Let us solve it properly. X will take here. 12x must be equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, and 2 minus x also we will take here. 10 raised to minus 6 cancelled all the way. This will be 12x is equal to 6 2s are 12 minus 6x. Minus 6x if it is taken here, 18x is 12. How? 6 minus 6 if it comes to plus 6. 6 plus 12, 18x implies x is equal to 12 upon 18, that is 1 by 3. No. It is 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 2 by 3 means 0.6666 meter, or x is equal to 0.67 meter. So at x is equal to 0.67 meters, here 0.67 meter from Q1, total potential will be equal to 0. Very standard problem asked in the board. Okay. Sometimes P is here at which you will be getting 0 potential. Sometimes P is where outside also, even at that point you will be getting potential 0. Let us see that one also. When point P is outside the line joining the charges, at which potential is 0. See here Q1 minus 6, Q2 how much? 12 microcoulomb, 6 microcoulomb. Now that point we will take outside the line joining. This is line outside the line joining at a distance of x. If so much is x children and this one was 2 meters, what is this distance? What is this distance? X plus 2. After simplifying, if x comes out as positive answer, this is correct. If x comes out with negative answer, that means this point P is on the other side of the charge, here somewhere. Same story. V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. How to write V1? V1 is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 by x. How to write potential at that point? Iska potential at that point. 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q2 upon distance x plus 2. Algebraic sum of potential should be 0 because they want 0 potential. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common and it will be cancelled. Q1 is how much? Minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, x we don't know, plus what is the value of Q2? 12 into 10 raised to minus 6. What is x plus 2? X plus 2 means as it is we will write is equal to 0. 10 raised to minus 6 is common, that will also get cancelled. We will write 12 upon x plus 2 must be equal to minus 6 upon x. If it goes there, that will become plus 6 upon x. Cross multiply. 12x is equal to 6x plus 6 2s are 12. 12x minus 6x is 6x is equal to 12. Implies x is equal to 12 by 6. 12 by 6, that will be equal to 2 meter. So this point now, it divides externally. Earlier point was internal. Earlier point P was inside where potential was 0. Here also 0, here also 0. One will contribute negative potential, one more will contribute positive potential. About X and all we have already explained here. Okay. From Q1, the potential is 0. You should write it clearly. We'll stop here, children. This was 7th part. We'll come across some more problems in the 8th part of potential and capacitance. Okay, thank you.